sound of it now. Okay, another day, guys. So yesterday you saw me taking the pads off those shoes, sorry. So they're all back there drying with paint on. So hopefully Monday I will be able to fit the new pads. But I made a bit of a boo-boo yesterday. So I walked up this side, picked all the shoes up, and I thought, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, ideal. So I get there, takes all the pads off, paints them. I thought, ideal, I'll be able to put the new pads on them today. And Andy, one of my bosses, said, "Are you missing some?" I said, "No, because I've already got the drive axle ones." He said, "Yeah, but you got 2 other axles." And I was like, "Yeah, that's 1, 2, 3. And I was like, oh my God. So I had a bit of a blonde moment before I left yesterday. So there's the other ones, and there's some more down the back. So this afternoon, oh there they are. This afternoon I'm going to do the same, go back, take them off and paint them. I can't believe I forgot that. I thought I was doing so well. So I thought I'd come up here this morning. So what I've been doing. So there's the front mud guards. So I've taken all the brackets off of there. That one's pretty knackered now, to be honest. So what I'm thinking of doing is if I can, I've took the brake chambers off the front axle as well. So there's one over there. So what I thought of doing is if I gather up all the brackets, I can start taking them back, sanding them down, preparing them ready for paint. Still haven't decided what I'm doing with this. See what Matt reckons when he comes up. Yeah, don't know. I still reckon that's supposed to be like flush down, but we'll see. So yeah, just driven the front axle out. Probably take the front shocks off. I've got 2 new ones of them coming in my order. So yeah, just tinkering around, just doing odd little bits and pieces. Once Matt's been and everything's like all the axles are done, then let's move on to the next stage then, isn't it? So yes. So I don't know when we're painting. I was hoping to be painting this weekend, because it's long weekend. I was hoping to be painting the weekend, bank holiday just gone. I was hoping to paint at Christmas, but you know what it's like. I can't be on it all the time because I got to work as well. So yeah, just get done. Just gets done when it gets done, I suppose. So yeah. Right. Let's find something else to unbolt.